Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you are looking to use Affirm's Pay Later option but are worried about your credit score, I will show you some tips on how to get approved. So let's jump right in. First, Affirm typically checks your credit profile, but they approve many customers with low credit scores. Start by linking a debit card or checking account to improve your chances, as it shows your ability to repay. Having a lower debt to income ratio can increase your chances of approval. Pay off existing credit balances if possible before applying for Affirm Pay Later. Now, if you are new to Affirm or have a low credit score, start with the small purchases. Smaller loans are easier to get approved for, and successful repayments will build trust for larger amounts later. And that is how to get approved on Affirm Pay Later with any credit. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.